Good morning, myself Dhruja. Today our topic is occupation. We all need food to eat and clothes to wear and shelter to live in. So there are the basic needs of our life. We can get all these things only if we have money to buy them. So we do some work to earn money. Most of people around us, our principals, teachers, parents, uncles, aunts, work. Anyone that helps people to earn money is their occupation. Different people do different types of work according to their needs. What they are able to do, their interests, and what they have been trained to do. So people work as teachers, scientists, doctors, engineers, carpenters, nurses, bakers, and so on. So let us read about some of the main occupation of the people in India. Such like of the people in India. Such like number one is agriculture. A large majority of people live in village, so their main occupation is farming. They grow different types of crops like grains, oilseeds, sugar canes, cotton, tea, spices, vegetables and fruits. So the farmers work very hard to grow crops. So they sow seeds and water the sapling and add manure to make the soil fertile. They work hard to get a good quality of crop. The farmers need water to irrigate the land so they can get this water from wells, tube wells, canals and the rains. So the government helps the poor farmers by giving loans for good quality seeds, tractors and water supply system in our India. Now many occupations are related to farming, such like cotton obtained from cotton plants is used for making cloth, sugar cane is used for making sugar and jaggery. Beverages like tea and coffee are obtained from the leaves and seeds of tea and coffee plants grown by farmers. So mustard, groundnut or sunflower seeds are pressed for getting cooking oil. So a large part of our country is covered with forests. Many people work in these forests. Some cut wood while others gather forest products such as honey, gum, lac and rubber, etc. So as in farming, forests are also related to many other occupations. The wood that is cut is used for making furniture, houses, matchsticks, paper and many other things. Rubber is also used to make rubber products. Now we are talking about the other. Goats and sheep are also reared by some farmers. Different animals are reared for different purposes. Some like blocks are reared for plowing field and drawing carts, while cows, goats and buffaloes are reared for milk or dairy farming. Poultry farming means rearing hens, ducks, chicks and geese for meat and eggs. So poultry farms are also found in villages. Now we are talking about the other type of agriculture that is called fishing. Fishing is the main occupation of people who live in the coastal area. Fish is an important food for many people. So the oil we get from it is used for making medicines. Good quality fish are also exported. Now other occupation is mining. Many minerals such as iron, coal, mica and manganese are found in nature. So they are found deep inside the earth and have to be dig up for use. So the digging of materials is called mining. So this is main occupation of people who lives in states such as Jharkhand, that is rich mineral deposits. So many other occupations depend on mining. A variety of metals, chemicals and fuels is obtained from these materials. So metals are used to make things like engines, machines, automobiles, utensils, ships and many other items. Petroleum gives us petrol, diesel, plastic and medicine. Fuels like petrol and diesel are used to run vehicles and machinery in factory. People get employment in such factory. Now we are talking about some other occupation. There are many other occupations. People work in bank offices, film studios, radio stations, television channels, publishing companies, schools and colleges. Some are traders who buy and sell products in the market. Manufacturers make products like Colgate or chocolate, radio, television and all those items which we need every day. So there are people who work in the factory and are known factories and are known as factory workers, doctors, nurses, scientists and teachers are people of some other important occupations. We provide useful services, such like plumbers, laborers, helpers. Nowadays, painters, singers and writers get good working opportunities, name and fair. So,